Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your Roblox theme into dark mode, so if you are interested then keep on watching. So to turn your Roblox theme into dark mode, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to click More. And after clicking it, next, go to Settings. Once you're on Settings, go and tap Account Info. After clicking Account Info, scroll down, then you will see the theme option. So to change your Roblox theme to dark, you just need to change this to dark mode. And after changing it, congratulations, it's done. Your Roblox will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.